Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be sharing with you the top 10 healthy foods you must eat. Stay tuned until the end of the video to find out what these superfoods are. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get notified when we upload new videos. Have you ever thought about how your daily food choices affect your overall health and well-being? The foods you eat can have a significant impact on your energy levels, immune system, and general state of health. In this video, we will be revealing the top 10 healthy foods that not only taste great, but also offer a host of health benefits. From fruits and vegetables to whole grains and lean proteins, we will cover a variety of options that can help you make informed decisions about the foods you consume daily. Whether you are a health enthusiast or just looking to improve your eating habits, join us on this journey to discover the power of nutrition and fuel your body with the best nature has to offer. So let's dive into our list of the top 10 healthy foods you must eat. No. 1. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that is packed with nutrients and offers a wide range of health benefits. It is a great source of vitamins C, K and A, as well as fiber and antioxidants. Broccoli has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and cancer. It is also a good source of protein and can help promote healthy blood sugar levels. To prepare broccoli, you can steam it, roast it, or stir-fry it. You can also add it to soups, salads, or use it as a side dish. For a tasty and nutritious meal, try adding broccoli to your stir-fries for a boost of fiber and vitamin C. Or steam it and serve it with a drizzle of olive oil and lemon juice for a simple side dish. With its numerous health benefits and versatility in the kitchen, broccoli is definitely one of the top 10 healthy foods you should be eating. Number 2. Berries. Berries are a delicious and nutritious addition to any diet and are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. They are low in calories and high in fiber, making them an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight or improve their overall diet. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, have been linked to various health benefits, including reducing inflammation, improving heart health, and protecting against certain types of cancer. They are also high in vitamin C, which can help boost the immune system and protect against cellular damage. When incorporating berries into your diet, you can eat them fresh, frozen, or dried. They can be added to smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt for breakfast, or used as a topping for salads or desserts. If you're looking for a healthy snack option, try pairing a handful of berries with a few nuts or seeds for a nutritious and satisfying snack. With their sweet flavor and impressive nutritional profile, berries are a must-have addition to the top 10 healthy foods you should be eating. No. 3. Salmon. Salmon is a fatty fish that is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining good health. These healthy fats can help reduce inflammation in the body and promote healthy blood pressure levels, which can lower the risk of heart disease. Number 4. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a versatile and nutritious root vegetable that can be enjoyed in various ways. They are a good source of complex carbohydrates, which can provide sustained energy throughout the day. Sweet potatoes are also packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, C, and E, as well as potassium and magnesium. These nutrients can help support healthy vision, boost the immune system, and maintain proper muscle function. To prepare sweet potatoes, you can bake them, boil them, or mash them. You can also sweet potato fries, or use them as a base for soups and stews. For a nutritious meal, try baking sweet potatoes and topping them with black beans, salsa, and a dollop of Greek yogurt, or adding them to a hearty stew for extra fiber and vitamins. With their delicious flavor and impressive nutritional profile, Sweet potatoes are a must-have addition to the top 10 healthy foods you should be eating. Lean meats. Lean meats such as chicken, turkey, and lean cuts of beef are excellent sources of protein and essential amino acids. Protein is crucial for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting a healthy immune system. Lean meats are also rich in iron, which helps carry oxygen throughout the body and supports energy levels. To prepare lean meats, you can bake, broil, or grill them. You can also use them to create stir-fries, sandwiches, or salads. For a nutritious meal, try grilling chicken breast and serving it with roasted vegetables, or making a turkey stir-fry with brown rice and plenty of fresh vegetables. With their high protein content and essential nutrients, lean meats are a top 10 healthy food that can help you achieve your health and wellness goals. Number 6. Quinoa. Quinoa is a gluten-free whole grain that is packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. It is a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids, making it an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans. Quinoa is also rich in fiber, which can help promote healthy digestion and regulate blood sugar levels. This can help you feel full and satisfied after a meal, which may aid in weight management. To prepare quinoa, you can cook it according to the package instructions, or use it as a substitute for rice or pasta in your favorite recipe. You can also add cooked quinoa to salads, or use it as a base for bowls topped with roasted vegetables and a protein source. With its impressive nutritional profile and culinary versatility, quinoa is a top 10 healthy food that can help you maintain a balanced and nutritious diet. Number 7. Eggs. Eggs are a versatile and nutrient food that can be included in a healthy diet. They are a great source of high-quality protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body. Eggs are also rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D, B12, and selenium. These nutrients can help support bone health, immune function, and thyroid function. When preparing eggs, you can fry them, scramble them, or poach them. You can also use them to make omelettes or frittatas filled with vegetables, cheese, or other toppings. For a nutritious meal, try making a vegetable omelette with spinach, mushrooms, and tomatoes, or serving scrambled eggs with avocado toast and a side of berries. With their impressive nutrient profile and culinary versatility, eggs are a must-have addition to the top 10 healthy foods you should be eating. Number 8. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a thick and creamy dairy product that is higher in protein than regular yogurt. It is a good source of calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D, which are essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Greek yogurt is also rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support gut health and digestion. These probiotics can help improve immune function and reduce the risk of infections. To incorporate Greek yogurt into your diet, you can enjoy it plain or use it as a base for dips or sauces. You can also mix it with fruit or granola for a healthy breakfast or snack. For a refreshing snack, try mixing Greek yogurt with honey and a splash of vanilla extract, and then freezing it in a container to make a homemade ice cream alternative. With its high protein content and gut-friendly probiotics, Greek yogurt is a top 10 healthy food that can help support your overall health and well-being. Number 9. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are nutrient-rich foods that can be enjoyed as a healthy snack or incorporated into a balanced diet. They are high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which can help promote satiety and reduce appetite. Nuts and seeds are also packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, magnesium, and zinc. These nutrients can help support brain health, immune function, and wound healing. Some of the healthiest nuts and seeds include almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. To enjoy nuts and seeds, you can eat them raw. You can also use them to make trail mixes or granola. For a nutritious snack, try creating a trail mix with a combination of nuts and seeds, or sprinkling chia seeds over your morning oatmeal for added fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. With their impressive nutrient profile and convenient portability, nuts and seeds are a must-have addition to the top 10 healthy foods you should be eating. Number 10. Green tea. Green tea is a type of tea that is made from unprocessed leaves and is known for its distinct bitter taste and vibrant green color. It is a rich source of antioxidants, particularly catechins, which are polyphenolic compounds that help protect cells against oxidative stress and inflammation. Green tea has been linked to various health benefits, including improved brain function, weight loss, and reduced risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. To enjoy green tea, you can brew it at home or drink it from a tea bag. It can be consumed hot or cold and can be enjoyed any time during the day. For a refreshing beverage, try brewing green tea with mint leaves or adding a squeeze of lemon juice to enhance the flavor and boost the immune system. With its numerous health benefits and refreshing taste, green tea is a top 10 healthy food that can complement a balanced diet and support overall well-being. And there you have it, the top 10 healthy foods you must eat. From broccoli and berries to salmon and sweet potatoes, each of these foods offers unique nutrients and health benefits that can contribute to a balanced and nutritious diet. Incorporating a variety of these foods into your meals can help you achieve your health and wellness goals and support your overall well-being. Remember, a healthy diet should consist of a variety of nutrient-rich foods, and these are just a few examples to get you started. So why wait? Start adding these superfoods to your diet today and experience the difference they can make in your health and well-being. Do you want to forget to like and share this video with your friends and family if you found it helpful, and stay tuned for more health and wellness tips and guides. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.